to Roop's Packaging Industry, a leading infection management company in India. Founded in 1994 at Noida. We are totally involved in manufacturing sterilization related products that start with sterilization reels and pouches with Tyvek and medical grade paper. We also make film-to-film and self-sealable pouches. Our commitment to provide infection control in the healthcare segment that drives us to create various mechanisms for testing the sterilization process, like chemical integrators, self-contained biological indicators for steam, ETO and plasma, Bowie and Dick disc pack and sheet, process challenge device and batch control monitor. We provide patient documentation system complete with guns and labels manufactured by us. Thus, we offer our clients a complete basket of infection control products. All our manufacturing activities take place in a class 10,000 clean room. It allows us to create a product which does not harbor colonies of microbes, so that when our products are used, the possibilities of transferring even the dead cells of such contaminating microorganism onto the patient are totally eliminated. We have machines which are custom built by the best of the companies in the world. These machines enable us to control and monitor the time, temperature and the pressure throughout the manufacturing process without fail. Hence, our products are always consistent in their flawless quality. Our quest for quality starts from our selection of the materials. We are thorough in our testing process. The strength of our package seal is tested through tensile strength testing, pouch burst testing and dye penetration testing. Finally, we carry out a visual inspection to ensure that there is no breakage of the seal. Our company is certified to the major standards in our field, such as EN 868, ISO 13485, ISO 11607 and CE mark. We are on the threshold of obtaining US FDA approval for our sterilization pouches. Some of our packaging products are specially manufactured for the pharmaceutical companies, while some others are made for the medical device manufacturing companies. For the hospitals, we have got our standard products for their use, like sterilization packaging and patient documentation system. Thus, we are continuously working on to ensure that the requirements of all these three sectors are met by us with promptness. Roop's products, which are safe to use, available in various sizes with quality packaging, suitable for transportation, are widely appreciated throughout the world. Roop's is a renowned name for all major hospitals, pharmaceutical industries, and medical device manufacturing companies in Indian subcontinent, Southeast Asia and Middle East. For more information, please contact us at roopscare.com. Thank you.